Hey guys, so as promised, I'm ready with my MVP2 for the PIbot that I have made. It was called ZeroBot initially when I was trying to make a ZeroBot, which is a open source code available on GitHub. But then I realized that is too much outdated. The libraries, the cameras are not working. So I've revamped everything. Now it's totally done on different platform, and yeah, the UI is different, the interface is different, the code is different. Everything has been upgraded on Python to achieve even better capability. That was just a plain bot. This is AI enabled. It can do a lot of other things, which I'll be demonstrating right away. So let me start without wasting any time the demo. So this is the UI. Wait, let me bring it up. Just a minute. Yeah, so you can see this is the UI. What the camera sees is what is shown here. Okay, so this is what the camera sees. I've done it. So this is the PIbot. Let's have a look of the PIbot. Very simplistic, minimalistic design. Design is from ZeroBot. Printed, 3D printed at home. I have a 3D printer, and then all the hardware, which I've given the details in my post, is there. All the hardware components assembled at home. Still, the final version, this is just a demo version. The final version will have a bit more sleeky things. I'm just doing it. The camera is out just for testing purpose. Okay, so I keep it here. So this is what the camera sees, the bot sees. Wait, let me load it again. If you can see, it's same thing here. So the web page on computer, so it's working on HTTP protocol. And let me pull in the feed here because the phone got closed. The feed is gone. Let me refresh so that the feed is here. So this is what the bot is saying. Now we have multiple options. But if you see, first option is manual. So what you do in manual, I'll give you a simple demo. I'll go sidewise and I'll just wait. Let me make it like this. Yeah. So if I do I'll not allow it to go far. Okay, don't run away. Don't run. It goes forward. It goes backward, and basically it just does your normal maneuvering where you can control the bot with your phone. So it's simple. This is what the ZeroBot used to do. Okay, there is nothing specific about this particular integration. Okay, it's just like you control with those prompts, you control it. Now going to the second option, which is I'll choose it from here, drop down. I'll demo one more, which is face tracking. So the moment I do a face tracking, see now the bot is not seeing anything, correct? And if I show him, if I pull him back, I have to somehow zoom so that his soul sees. Wait. Okay. So it started moving. The moment it sees the image, it tries to follow up. Okay. It tries to just follow that up, and it's going towards that direction. So I'll stop it. Okay, this is what. And what you heard just now on my phone was some messages coming. What message came? Let me check that. If I go to my phone, see all those messages are coming. What are those messages? If I go and see, okay, I think the network is having some issues. Okay, let this load. Too many of them are there, so I'll cross few of them. And okay, this one is loaded. Same thing has come on a picture. So multiple pictures have come. Every 5 seconds as of now is set to click a picture and send on my phone on Telegram. And if you see the timing, its last has come as 16:53. If you see the time, it's 16:53. And if I show you the time on my computer, it's 16:54. So last minute. So that just shows it's coming live from the bot. Okay. Now I'll just go up and show you the UI interface on the bigger screen so that we know what exactly are the capabilities here. So it's, as I said, it's on HTTP. You can run on any device on the local host or the IP which is connected. For now it's connected in my local network on port 5000. Okay, Now you have options like manual, where I said you can just drive it as a robot, or you can choose another option called face tracking. In face tracking, we just saw a demo. It will just locate a face and will try to, you know, keep on that and focus. It'll try to move towards that and keep it in the center of its image, or focused. You can, when a snapshot is there, it will send snapshot directly, but you have option to manually also select a snapshot. Okay, then we have color follow. So you choose any color ball or anything, it will follow that. This you can set it from here. I'm not doing a demo for that because I have a very small table space. Last one is object detection and tracking. In this, it will detect all the object on the screen, and it will give you a list here, a list of all the objects here. Then you can lock this. The last button is a lock button, where you can just check the lock. Well, I'll just zoom it out for you guys to understand. Okay, yeah. And you can lock it. This is a feature which is working but not very good, because for running OpenCV or such kind of AI model on such a small hardware of Raspberry Pi 0 2W, this is giving some issues. I'm working on it. The idea is to take the feed from here, send it to a cloud-based or my system-based LLM model, or so they host the actual what do you call computing there, and then just send it to here. So that piece is under progress. This is working, but I would not say it's a bit laggy. Let me admit that. So that is there. And then at the bottom, if you come down, is your controls, as you have seen. So you can control the bot from here. So it can, if it's in face tracking mode or near the mode, it is on its own. If it's in manual mode, then it's totally your control. In face tracking mode and object follow mode, you also have visual. There's no HRS sensor on it, so distance sensor. Because there's more space to put in. Maybe in a bigger model I'll put it. Then you will have a distance sensor. As of now, it will do obstacle avoidance based on images. It's not as good as working on a ultrasonic, distance sensor that will be coming up in another model. But this one will be just having a basic, image-based object detection model. It will not go and crash on the wall. If it sees the wall, it will just hold, turn around, and go forward like that. That feature will come in. So, and in the middle, as you have seen, we have whatever the bot sees is what you see. Is the screen in between. Yeah. So this is it. It's a work in progress, but last time when I saw the bot, it was just working. There was no camera feed. That was MP1. From there, it almost took me 6 to 8 months to come to this. The reason, because the code base I was following was someone else's ZeroBot. After so much of trial, I could not make it work, because a lot of libraries have gone over. It was an almost 2-3 years old GitHub repository. They're not working, and even if they're working, they're very sloppy. The pictures or the video is not as good as it's coming in this one. So that is the reason I have chosen this one. Now this is, if you see, this is so good. As much as I move the bot, this will move accordingly. If I show the bot, whatever you see is whatever the bot sees, what you see is correct. So it's real time. See, wherever I am moving, it's moving accordingly. So this is what I have achieved by changing the whole code base. Now I call it PIbot. It's my code base, and I'll be uploading on GitHub if somebody is interested to actually make the model. Thanks a lot. I mean, this amalgamation for me of my age-old knowledge on electronics and automation, and mixing with the AI new skill on AI and Python. I'm just loving it. Either working for office, building some models, for my office use cases, or coming back, making my hands dirty again, back to my core hobbies of electronics and all. It's giving me a good kick, and it's a good way of learning as well. I hope you guys like it. So do share your comments on this. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.